last two prizes to head out for the giveaway. I want to thank everybody again for participating. It was a huge success and a lot of fun. These two, as you saw, were going to Big Boy Bushcraft, and the other one is going to 73 Forge Outdoors. So, of course, I said I would pack them with tinder. It's that wiki up camp. It's really wet down there. Dang it. All right, adventure time.
Hey, all right, guys. You saw I'm out here. I'm trying to wrap up the giveaway with the last two prizes. So the real reason why I got you out here is for the Show Us Your Steak Challenge. Now, if you're not familiar with it, it's about men's health awareness. So, been a lot of great videos on this. What does my steak look like?
Oh, dude, you got your leg on my meat, man.
Shit. So the Show Us Your Steak Challenge is about men's health awareness. So I guess maybe you're supposed to share a story or something like that. So mainly my story, when I want to show my steak, is that I put myself through a teenage pregnancy. And eventually, I had my son, I was 20, but again, you can imagine the amount of stress that puts on a person. So for me personally, I say reach out to the young adults in your life, 11 to 18, that range. You're kind of lost as a male. We have a lot of broken homes, there's no fathers involved in lives. So if you're a good uncle, brother, father, grandfather, cousin, reach out to a dude and make sure that he has some type of support system. Because, man, a lot of times when you find out somebody, took their life, it's way too late, of course, and you had no idea. So I know me personally, I've gone through some loss recently, and I have a great support system, and that's what helps me, cope. And not everybody has that. So please reach out to those young adults. Those are the impressionable guys right now, who you can, take on a hike, take fishing, pick a dude's brain, let him know that you're cool with whatever happens. A teenage pregnancy, you can call this guy. If you get locked up, you can call Uncle Bo. You know what I mean? So that's the type of thing I'm talking about. So that's it for me. I've showed you my steak plenty of times in this video. I hope you enjoyed that. And again, I only want to tag one person, and that's Alex Rebar from Liberty Rogue Outdoors. He and I had some mental floss the other day and kind of reached out and had a good conversation about everything going on in our lives. So that's what it's about, guys. Hashtag show us your steak, and I'll see you in the next one. Fun going down. It always sucks going back up. Yeah, and I'm tagging Rebar. Show us your steak, brother.